having an amazing day. I am here at one of our flips in Maryland. Let's go in and check it out. The guys are so funny. Oh my gosh. I told them, you better get your girl flowers for Sunday. Wow, this is great. So this is going to be the kitchen. It was like a sunroom looking area. And we were able to do the cathedral. Thank goodness, because it is a pretty tiny house, so gotta open her up. That's what he said. Okay, I can't keep it clean. So we're just finishing up framing. They put on an entire addition for the master.
This is your entrance to the bathroom here. And what you can't see is that's exactly where the addition's gonna go. So that wall will be blown out and it will go into the master addition.
Including a new bathroom and of course the bedroom and closet for the master. So that has to be done, and then we can put in for rough-in inspection. This house will go together pretty quickly after that. So not much to see now, but the rest will go fast. And we get to do the blue cabinets in the kitchen with gold handles. So this is the addition from the outside. And this is what we're counting on to help get a good high price for this house, is this garage. And it is by a ton of new builds down here. Really expensive new builds. So hoping that will help us get it done. Okay, honestly, that's freaking creepy.